Hello, it's Susan, and today I'm going to do a dip. I will be applying the paint a little bit different, just around the outside for the base coat, and then I'm going to start putting my my other paint around as I go in. I'm not going to be putting any paint in the middle, like any base coat in the middle. Okay, I'm just gonna put it around. I should have actually drew a line like this so that I know where the circle is. So I know where to stop. Okay, just gonna put it on the outside. The reason I'm doing this is sometimes there's just seems to be too much paint on the canvas, and it just, the colors get blended too much, so I thought I would try this. I think I might need a little bit more over here. Colors I'm using are bronze metallic and white pearl metallic. These two colors are, this is the paint that I'm using, Rust-Oleum Metallic Accents. It's water-based and it works really good. So though I'm using a bronze and a white pearl, and then I have red, magenta. I hope I have enough in here. If I don't, I'm going to be adding some cadmium red. This is magenta. It's probably Kodacrium magenta from Basics, I believe. So I'm just going to apply the bronze. I'm going to go around a couple of times. I didn't quite hit the white over here, so I'm going to go over it a bit. Okay. That's the bronze. I think I'm just going to add a little bit more bronze, one more layer of it. Oops. Then the white pearl right up against it. I'm going to go around twice. Then the red. Then the white. Then the bronze. Then the white again. Red. White. Bronze again. And white. Oops, red. Just going to finish off with white. Now I'm going to get my plastic. I've attached it to a stick and I'm going to slowly go over. First of all, I'll make sure I have no paint on here. And instead of using a little stick like I used last time, it's kind of awkward to do with a stick, so I'm going to use my long straw. So I'm just going to place it down and then just lightly run my straw over top. This is to help against getting air pockets. Yeah, the straw works a lot better. It's very light. All right. I'm just going to pat it down and make sure there is no air pockets. There's hardly any at all. Just a couple. Yeah, there's only a couple on the outside. So I'm just going to lightly go over it like this. Just smooth it out a bit. Make sure there's no air pockets. There is none. So now what I do is going to remove this tape. So I'm going to carefully grab the ends, remove that, and I'm just going to turn it over. You don't have to worry about when you turn it over because the plastic actually sticks to the paint, so there's no chance really of it moving. Just make sure I'm in the middle of the... There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over here as far as I can so that when I lift it up I can put it right here and you'll see it. Still see it? Yep. So now I'm going to tape it down. So now I'm going to carefully lift straight up. Okay, I'm going to lift up. It's kind of hard to grab because it's a canvas board. It's not a canvas. So just try and grab. Lift up. Maybe try to release the edges first. Ooh, wow. Look at that. That is cool. I like it. So now I'm going to... It's just enough paint on here too. It's not too much. It might need a little bit on the outside, but it's actually, look at this. This one's actually better than the... But it might change after I get the torch on it. So I'm popping any air bubbles. It could have been that there was, the edges look pretty good, but the middle looked like it might have blended too much. So I might have added too much paint. Not really sure, but it's actually pretty good. There's not a ton of paint in the middle like usually you get with these dips. I almost like this one better. They're both pretty cool. I can't have this too close to the plastic or it'll melt it. I think it looks kind of cute. It's different. So I will show you a close-up. I'm going to add some more paint around the outside. I didn't quite have enough, as you can see. But that's no big deal. But inside, if I tilt it, you can see that there's lots of paint inside. So you really don't need paint underneath there. And I'm gonna have to bring the camera down for this one. I'll turn you off for a minute. Here's this one here, is the plastic, which I've been saving all my plastic, and I'm gonna do something with them in the future. I don't know what. But I really like this one. This one I think looks better than this one. But they both look kind of cool. So anyway, I will let them dry, and I will show you the dried results at the end. Bye-bye. See you in a bit. Hi, I'm back with the dried results. It dried very smooth and very flat. And it's a little shiny because of the pearl metallic. And there's bronze in there as well. That's metallic also. It's not quite as shiny as the white, but it's a little bit. Here's a close-up. And this skin plastic that I pulled the canvas up on, it looks also as cool as well. I almost like it better than the canvas. Look very cool. Anyhow, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye for now.